what is your most popular dish?
It would be the bread pudding, which you had, the whatnots, which are mushroom stuffed with 3 different cheeses baked in garlic butter, and then our blackened stuffed chicken or our blackened stuffed pork chop, which was featured on the Dine and Dive show.
Oh, okay.
And the bread pudding was also featured on Dine and Dives as well as the Paula Deen magazine. And that's kind of where a lot of our dishes have come from, just from people asking for certain things or having an eaten somewhere, or we'll watch a show on TV and I'll say, oh, that looks good, and he'll be going, I can do it better.